Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the arid landforms. Arid landforms are majorly the landforms which are formed in the desert regions. So there are some erosional landforms and some depositional landforms. As the wind and water play a role in creating these landforms, we are going to discuss them. The first one is dunes. Dunes are the mound of the sand. As we can see in this figure, these are the mound of the sand or the sand is collected here. What happens is the wind can erode some of the rocks, and after erosion, the soil created, that soil is start to move in the direction of the wind. So let's say the direction of the wind is this, and this structure is formed. We can look at the crescent of it. So if this is the crescent, if wind is coming in this direction, then this structure is known as barchans. Barchans are those structures which are formed majorly by the process of wind coming in opposite direction to crescent. But in case the parabolic dunes are formed when the crescent is in the direction of the wind. Wind is flowing in this direction, and parabolic shape is also in this direction. These are known as parabolic dunes. These are known as Barjan dunes. Next one is Palaya and Bajada. So Palayas are formed when there are some lakes in this region. So when these lakes water get evaporated, and some salt is left there. So that land is known as Palaya. The next term is Bajada. So these are the mountain ranges, and there might be some streams coming down from here, and these streams might be carrying with them some debris, some rocks, pebbles, and they are depositing those sediments in these regions, making this region, we can call it alluvial fans or regions good for agriculture. So these regions are known as Bajada. Rock pedestals, we have the distribution in horizontal fashion. So the vertical and horizontal fashion we can see. So this way, this distribution. Now looking at some other landforms of the desert regions. The first one is sand dunes, as we have discussed. These are the mound of sand collected in some regions. Next one is desert pavement. Desert pavements are those regions in which the soil has been moved away with the wind or water, and they are left some rocks which are resistant to get eroded. So only the rocks are present here. Smaller rocks are present in these regions. These are known as desert pavements. The next one is blowouts. Blowouts are the landforms in which the wind has eroded the land deeper, also creating some holes here. These are known as blowouts. The next one is oases. Oases are those regions in which water comes to the surface from deep underground. Water is not present like because of rivers or other things. It's because of the deep underground water. Salt pans are the palayas, are those regions in which at some time there might be some lakes are there, but the water get evaporated and just the salt left here. Next is Inselberg. Inselberg are those landforms in which the rocks near to it get eroded completely, but these are the regions whose rocks are comparatively harder or resistant to get eroded. So that's why this region has looks like some risen part, and also wind has also collected some soil here and rocks also here. Now looking at Missa and Batte, both of these structures looks almost similar, but the difference is that these are very steep height structures, Batte, but the Mesa are like created by the process of some canyon passing here. Canyon are those steep sided valleys of water in which some river is flowing. So they have created their way to move out. Just the water have created its way to move out, not the wind has eroded these, but they have created by the process of wind erosion. So that's why they are formed more steeper. But here only the aim of erosion is for the water to get past. So that's why these are not much steeper. Their rocks are eroded as per which is softer to get eroded would only be eroded here. The next one is alluvial fan. Alluvial fan is same as Bajada. Bajada are those sediments which have been collected by the rivers while coming down. Yardans, we have already discussed that the vertical distribution of the rocks in which the softer would be eroded and harder would left the same. So this kind of structures would be present. So I hope you understand the landforms of the desert regions well. Thank you for watching.